Hello, today we're going to unbox the computer was my uncle bought. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. Good. Yeah. First, I don't know what is this, but I think this is good. So this is
The charger, I think. What is this? Wait, what is this?
don't know, but I don't like it.
Wipe.
Cool.
What is this?
Yeah, we open the first box. We open the
It will give me that mouse. Okay, it's a mouse.
I don't have scissors.
Scissors.
We need scissors.
No, okay, let me start there. I'll cut it down there.
Kayaknya betul.
Give me.
We open it.
Okay.
Okay. The same. Some.
Ada datang ada.
Yes. The thingy, I guess. Okay. Okay, next.
Keyboard.
The keyboard.
Yeah.
Here. Okay,
Where's the mouse thingy? Oh, there.
from here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, check from the front. Huh?
Yeah, exactly. Like that. No. Yes. This is do that. Yes. Now just.
Nama tu
So be careful. Be careful. Yeah. It's a color.
Still don't know how to test.
The another mouse.
Yay! A second mouse.
Extra mouse. I'm sure to. No, put it here.
ASMR.
No, put it here.
ASMR.
Show it the.
No, do like this. It's ASMR.
Put it there.
Huh?
Nice sound.
Yours do.
ASMR. You know. Nice. Okay, now let's unbox the chicken inside.
I think the color. You have to open this first. This is really easy.
Yeah. Just strong. Where to open it?
Oh, yeah.
There's nothing inside. It's just a cover for laptop.
Oh, ooh, well, that's boring.
That's nice. Last one. Laptop.
Lenovo. If someone breaks it, it's their problem.
Yeah. And be careful.
Can I get scissors or something?
Let me see.
Yeah, yes.
Maybe we could just open that.
No, this one.
It's sharp.
It's not that sharp.
Yeah. I have the same scissors.
Oh.
The same like that. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, it's almost.
It's open.
Okay, it's open.
You do it from the back.
So be careful, the laptop will fall in there. Yes. Right. Okay.
Right?
Careful. Yes. Right. Okay.
Right?
Careful.
Wait, there's something else. What's this here?
Oh, the charger and stuff. Plug it in. I guess. So idea pad see this one.
Huh?
Idea pad one.
Yeah. Okay. See, this is what you don't do. So no one do it.
Well, touchpad. It needs charge. Oh,
Yeah.
no.